I think what I've known, for a long, long time since I was a kid, is that I wanted to do something with the whole idea of space exploration, because the space age started happening, when I was 7 years old, and it was all very exciting. And I had the big golden book of astronomy that I memorized, and it's always kind of been a part of my experience. Um, I think some way, because of my gender, I was kind of shunted away from the sciences and pushed more toward the arts and humanities. So I gave up on it for a while, but then I thought, well, I can do, I can make my creative work, have themes that have to do with stars and planets and space exploration. Um, I didn't actually get around to it until, I wrote my first novel, which was Screwed Pooch, was about the Russian space dog Laika. And somewhere along the way, I decided I really wanted to do some formal study, because I knew so little about science, and especially astronomy and rocket science and space exploration. I did a certificate course in cosmology. It was a distance learning thing from this place in England, and I earned a certificate in cosmology, which I thought it was way different from what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like, you sit around and think about the universe. They actually had us doing was like measuring the density of stars, and there was a lot of math involved. There was especially a lot of exponential math involved for how many times to the 10th power is this star away from this other star. So it was a lot more heavy into math and physics and science and even quantum physics than I was actually prepared for. But I studied hard and I passed, and now I have a certificate in cosmology, which actually informs all of what I'm doing right now, and especially Venus on Mars quite a bit.